Hi, skipping the video just after watching the title. It is Faces Face Palette. So old video, don't skip the video. Just keep on watching. There is something new. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Now on the community, I had asked you maybe last week or maybe in this week only that whether you people are interested in the review and demo of a new shade range from from Faces, that is the Faces Canada. They have earlier their face palette already. In that they have two shades. I have written the shades over here, so I'll be just looking down. They have already two shades, shade number 01 that is fresh and shade number 02 that is glow. Now in this particular range itself, they have extended their shades and they have included two more shades, shade number 03 rise and shade number 04 shine. Today what I am going to review and demo for you is shade number 04 shine. Okay, I got this product basically from Purple. They always have some one or the other offer. So I got this product from Purple. This is the outer covering of the product. You all can see. Okay, it is 3-in-1 product. It is written Faces Canada Ultime Pro Face Palette 3-in-1 highlighter, contour and blush. A sculpted look, enhance and illuminate your complexion. 3 numbers into 4 gram each. So altogether you are going to get 12 grams of product. In each pan you will get 4 grams. So basically that is more than enough. And this retails for 899 rupees. But during sale times, in any case, on Purple, when you go and check out, generally on Faces Canada, you have 20, 25, 30%, sometimes even 40% off also. So check out during the sale times, and I'll request you, I'll urge you, or maybe you can say I'll ask you, you can buy during the sale time only, because 899 is little bit costlier for a face palette. That's what I believe. When you check the back side, this is outer covering, this is a matte black outer box. And when you check the back side, they have all the detailed information. They have external use, they have usage and all ingredients. They have given you net content, as I told you, 3 number into 4 gram each, so total 12 grams. They have given you batch number. Manufacturing is March 21, but while getting to India, because this is formulated in Italy, I have read somewhere, I'm not sure where I read, I guess, I am not sure, yes, it is written over here, formulated in Italy. And if you happen to hear some background noise, some band music or something, and please don't mind, there is some festival going on in my local area, so they are like roaming here and there with the band and all, and I cannot wait till the evening or maybe till night to film the video, and I just set up everything, so I'm just filming. So if you happen to hear the noise, I'm extremely sorry for that. I'll try to reduce the noise, but then still I can't help it. I'm so sorry for that. Now, as I told you, it is formulated in Italy. I read from here. Okay, so that's that. And the expiry of this particular product is February 2024. So altogether you are going to get 3 years shelf life of this product. This is the basically outer packaging. Now we talk about the inner packaging. Inner packaging is normal. It doesn't come with any kind of mirror. This is a plain plastic. It is Faces Canada Ultime Pro Face Palette. I won't get near the camera because otherwise it will reflect the light and everything. And it comes with a plastic sheet covering all the 3 shades, and these are the 3 shades what you are going to get. These are the 3 shades, right? This is basically a highlighter, this is the blush, this is a highlighter, this is the blush, and this is the contour shade. I'll just swatch all the 3 shades on my hands over here. I'll show you. First I'll swatch contour. The highlighter is very good quality. Can you see? This is contour, this is blush, and this is the highlighter. Right? Now what I'll do is, we'll just move towards the demo. Yes, now we'll move towards directly the demo. The base makeup is already done. Now we'll just apply contour, blush and highlight right? Now for the contour, see, now please don't ask me about the brush details, because this all brushes whatever I'm using, they all were purchased from a particular website which is no more available right now in India. So please don't ask me for the brush details and all. But whatever possible, like this is actually a dupe of Wet n Wild. So if you want, you can go ahead and you can buy Wet n Wild brushes, because these are the dupes. And of course I should not use the products which are not available, but then brushes, y'all can understand, I'm the only one who can use the brushes, and I cannot buy again and again different kinds of brushes. So definitely, so please excuse me for that. First I'll contour my face. Generally, if you know me, then you know me, I never contour, but I'll try to do it. I generally don't contour my face because my face is already very slim. So if I'll contour, it looks very slim, but still I'll try. See, can you see a shadow kind of little bit? I won't contour much. Can you see here? See here? Just do a little bit on my. Okay, now contouring is done. Now I'll just take a fluffier brush. Of course, this is not basically a blush brush, but I'll just use it. Let me see. This blush contains kind of a little bit of sheen. It has little bit of chunks, not exactly heavy, but yes. Can you see blush? Can you see the blush now? Right? I think there is little bit extra on this side, but then it's okay because I'm not going anywhere. I think highlighter I'll apply with my finger because that is where I feel comfortable. Highlighter I'll just apply with my fingers. Just take a small pencil brush and I'll try to apply in the inner corner. A little bit under the brown tone. Yes. Now this is basically I have applied blush, contour, that is the contour, blush and highlight. So now I'll just wash my hands and I'll come back. Now you have already seen the demo, while in the starting also, and again I'm telling you, if you are looking out for a matte blush, then I'm very sorry to say this blush is not matte. This is having little bit sheen in that. It means it doesn't contain glitter or shimmer particles, but yes, there is a sheen into the blush. Right? Now if you ask me about my opinion about this particular product, then I will say definitely during the sale times you can grab this product. But without sale, $8.99 will be little bit expensive for you. So wait for the sale to come and you can buy during the sale. Right? And basically when I asked on my community that whether you people want the review on this product or no, then lot of you people have asked me to compare this with Sugar face palette. Then definitely I will compare this face palette with the Sugar face palette, but in a separate video, because as you saw in the demo, I have already applied contour, blush and highlight on my both the sides. But while comparing, I do have to compare one side with Sugar and one side with Faces, which is not right now possible, because if I'll remove this, then again I'll have to do my base makeup and everything. So that is not right now possible in this video, but definitely stay tuned to my channel, and if you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel to see lot such kind of comparison videos and lot of other fun videos on my channel. So next video, whatever video I'll make, it will be comparing, because I think I have Sugar face palette and this face palette. I'll check my vanity, whichever face palettes are available, I'll compare everything in one video. Right? So of course Sugar I am damn sure I have, and I have this. I'll check once again as I told you in my vanity, and whatever available I'll do that. So comparison will be the next video. I think I have given you all the information. And yes, if at all you are wondering which eyeliner, because sometimes I do get comment on asking my eyeliner. I sometimes don't remember which eyeliner I have applied, so I'll just specify. It is from Blue Heaven. It is their eyeliner, waterproof. It is in the shade blue. This is the eyeliner what I have applied, and of course lipstick. Meghna cannot complete the video without specifying the the lipstick details. It is from Faces Canada. You all can see. It is from the Faces Canada brand, and it is their weightless cream finish lipstick. It is in the shade, I'll tell you, 02 wine drop, 20 wine drop. I'm so sorry, 20 wine drop. And this actually I got free from Purple when I ordered 2-3 things from Faces. Not this time, previously that time I got this lipstick free. So this is the lipstick what I have applied right now on my lips. During the demo, during the intro, during the outro, the same lipstick. So you can see this is, I don't think this is visible, but still I'll show it here. 20 wine drop. I don't think it is possible because it is written over here, and if you are like, please don't mind, I was watching something and it's not going. It is a little bit waterproof, so I have to apply waterproof makeup remover. So that's it. So I think I have covered each and every point, but still if you have anything to ask me related to this product, you can definitely let me know in the comment section. I'll try to reply you as soon as possible, and if you want, you can follow me on Instagram also. If you have any other query which you don't want to ask here, you can DM me on Instagram also. I'll try to help you as soon as possible. And if you have any other video suggestions, let me know that also in the comment section. I'll try to fulfill your request as soon as possible. And if you're watching till here, that means I'm 100% sure that you are liking my content. If yes, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also, if you have not subscribed, consider subscribing my channel. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.